Hi everyone, it's week 7 in our Quilted Block series with our larger designs. You can head over to my website to download this week's free design. I'll link my website down below the description, and I'll also link another tutorial that you can watch just in case you need a refresher course on how to place this block together. Can you believe we're already on week 7? And I'm really getting excited because it's getting close to where I'm going to start the tutorial to share with you how I'm placing all of my blocks together. So if you're stitching along with me, make sure you join my Facebook group that's noted at the end of the tutorial, and you post pictures of the blocks that you've stitched and the fabrics that you've used. I look forward to seeing your blocks also.